Mistake number 3 that a lot of call center agents make when assisting customers, relying on canned responses to answer the customer's questions. Ooh, this is a big one. Are canned responses useful? Absolutely. But the problem happens when an agent has this impression that canned responses solve everything. Here's an example. The customer initially ordered 50 black aprons, but the blue aprons are cheaper, so she decided to have it modified from black to blue. She's also asking about the amount of the refund that she's going to get and the time frame of the refund. Fourth, the shipping time frame. Agent Jennifer got this email. What she did was send the canned response for modifying orders, and here's what she sent her. As per your request, we have modified your order and have refunded you the price difference. Allow 5 to 7 business days for it to reflect to your original method of payment. Picture what would you feel if you ask 4 specific questions and you get this for an answer. I mean, it's just a basic need from a customer standpoint that if you ask a specific question, you get a specific answer. So instead of sending 100% canned response, make sure that you modify your canned response according to the customer's questions and needs. Here's what could have been done better. We have modified your order of 50 aprons from black to blue. We have refunded you the price difference of $49.50, and then there's the breakdown of 0.99 times 50 aprons. Allow 5 to 7 business days for it to reflect to your original method of payment. And then your order should ship before the end of the day tomorrow. Once shipped, you will receive an email with a tracking number. The canned response is the foundation of the answer here, but it's not everything. You have to customize your response according to the customer's questions and needs. Second example, and this is probably more damaging than the first one. I returned 2 items, but I only got a refund for 1. I got the refund for the handbag, but not for the shoes. I think it's odd because I put them both in one package, so they should naturally be processed at the same time, right? And how long is the refund time frame? And now, again, Jennifer got this email. She's a newbie. She sent the return and refund template to Tabitha, and here's what she sent. All items are returnable within 30 days from delivery date. It doesn't mean anything. It's not answering any of the questions. No, this part should be removed. To initiate a return, simply pack an item with its original packaging and return label. Again, it doesn't answer anything. Once we receive them in the warehouse, it takes 2 weeks for the refund to reflect to your original method of payment. This answers the question a little bit, but it's still not fully answering the question. So it's kind of telling the customer, wait for 2 weeks for all the refund to be processed to your account. It's still not answering the question as to why both items were in the same package, but they were not refunded at the same time. And this is exactly what the customer is asking, but it was never answered in Jennifer's response. Here's what could have been done better. Hello, Tabitha. I can see here that the Eileen shoes in beige you returned is currently being processed for refund. Unlike the Emily handbag, though, it just wasn't finalized yet. Because we process returns by order number, items from the different order numbers may not be processed at the same time, even if they were returned in the same box. Rest assured, though, that this is normal and your refund should not go beyond the 2-week time frame, which will be on the 26th of June. If it does, feel free to reply to this email so I can check on your behalf. So if I were the customer, this is exactly how I would want the agent to reply to my email. I want to feel that this agent is really reading my email or not just sending me a canned response.